Hi, my name is Sam Dhaneshekaran and welcome to this Oracle Database Lessons video series. In this video, let us take a look into installing Oracle 12 in Windows 10. So go to oracle.com and go to downloads. Okay, click Oracle, download Oracle Database 12c now. Okay, I'm going to download this one, which is Microsoft Windows 64-bit release 12.1.02. Accept the license agreement and then click this one. Again, accept the license agreement and click this. Okay, if you haven't registered, you would like to register here. Okay, and that would download the zip file. Okay, since it has been downloaded, let me go and download the next file. Okay, it's downloading the next one. Okay, I've downloaded both the files. They are of compressed format, so we need to uncompress them. So just do a right click on the file 1 of 2 and choose extract all, and it will prompt you a location where you need to extract those files. Okay, and this is very important, I'm going to extract both the files into same location. So I don't want this 1 of 2 or those things. I'm just going to extract them to WinX64-12.1.02. So the extraction of first file is complete. So let me extract the second one. Right click, extract all. Important thing is it has to be extracted in the same location as the first one. Okay, it's extracting. So we have extracted both the files in this location, which is WinX64_12.1.02. Let's go to that location and go inside. There will be a folder called database, and let's open that. And there is a file called setup.exe. Let's run it. This will invoke the installer. Okay, it's starting Oracle Universal Installer. You will briefly see this command window. The first option is to configure security updates. This is the screen where you will give your email address, or if you already have subscribed Oracle support, you would give the username and password so that you will receive information about security patches and updates. Okay, so I'm going to skip this. Click next, and it's going to complain about that. This is basically for educational purpose, right? So we can skip it. Okay, so in the next screen we are presented with 3 options. One is create and configure a database. The next one is install database software only. The third one is upgrade an existing database. Let me begin with the second one. Install database software only. What this means is it will install just the database software and it will do nothing after that. Meaning that if you want to install just the software and create the database later, we can choose this option. Even if we do this, at some point of time when we are ready to create a database, we can do that by invoking DBCA, which is Database Configuration Assistant, which will be part of this database software. Okay, and this first option, which is create and configure a database, is nothing but the second option plus that DBCA which I just mentioned. Basically it will install the software and invoke DBCA for us to create a database. The third one is to upgrade an existing database. If we already have a database and if we want to upgrade that, then we use this option. Click next. Okay, let me go back, and I have chosen create and configure a database, meaning that I want to install the database software as well as I want to create a database. Click next. So in this screen we are presented with two options. One is do we want to choose desktop class configuration parameters or server class configuration parameters. Since this is for educational purpose and I'm installing Oracle in a Windows desktop, I'm going to choose desktop class. Okay, so in this screen it's asking when Oracle runs, who should be the owner of that process. So in a multi-user operating system like Windows or Unix, Linux, any process that's running or any software that has been installed has to be owned by some user, first of all. And when it runs, that instance of that software which is running in the memory has to be owned by some user. Okay, so here Oracle is asking, do you want to run the Oracle process as an existing Windows user? Okay, if yes, give the Windows username and password. So whenever Oracle runs, it will run as this user. Or do you want to create a new Windows user for it? Okay, I'm going to go with the old method, which is just use Windows built-in account, as I'm using this only for educational purpose. But definitely Oracle is going to complain about that. Okay, I'm still going to continue with that. In this screen, we need to choose various options, and let me explain one by one. Oracle base. Oracle base is a folder which serves as a base for any Oracle software installation in this machine. Okay, by default it would be c:/app/sam in this Windows box. The term SAM comes from the name of the OS user. Okay, so in this Windows box, which is my Windows desktop, I have a OS user called Sam and I logged in using that user. So by default it gives me an option c:/app/the OS user, which would be Sam. Okay, and that serves as a Oracle base. Next is the software location. Remember, I'm installing database. Okay, the software for the database goes into Oracle base, which is c:/app/sam/product/12.1.0/db home_1. So c:/app/sam is the Oracle base, and then beneath that it creates a folder called product and then the version 12.1.0 and then database home_1, the first home, meaning that I can install same software in another home also. Okay, so next is the database file location. Remember, we are creating a database, right? So the data files have to go somewhere. Obviously it will go into a folder called Oradata under Oracle base, c:/app/sam, which is Oracle base, and then /Oradata, and leave the default value for this database edition, enterprise edition, and character set, I'm going to change it to Unicode. You can keep it whatever you want because this is just going to be a training system. And the global database name, I'm going to keep it just demodb.home. Okay, and I'm going to give a 3-character password, and I'm sure it's going to complain about the password. Disable container database. We don't need it for this course. Okay, click next. Okay, it's going to complain about the password. Okay, So right now it's doing prerequisite checks. Okay, so we are presented with this summary screen, and everything looks fine. So I'm going to click install. So once that completes, it will start the creation of database, and you will get a screen like this. So after a while, once it is done, it's going to give an output like this, saying that the database has been configured, and it will also give a URL where the database's enterprise manager, database express location will be there. We will talk about this later. Okay, so click OK, and we are done. Okay, so now let's connect to it. Okay, go to the run menu in start, and then type cmd to get to the command prompt. Now set oracle sid equals to demodb. To make sure if it has been set properly, just do a echo percentage oracle sid. It has been set to demodb. Okay, set the oracle home to this one where we installed the Oracle database software, and let's just make sure the value has been set properly. Okay, now do this SQL plus / no log connect / as sysdba. We are connected. Select name from $v database. We are in. Okay, so that's how you install Oracle database in Windows 10.